Hello, I'm Jacqui Walker from Remax Success, and I would like to invite you in to have a look through the most spectacular home, 12 Leichhardt Street in beautiful Centenary Heights. Come on through and have a look at this sensational renovation. You have a gorgeous front veranda which is just so stunning, which you'd love to sit out here and enjoy a nice cuppa. This is beautifully done, surrounded by some really pretty trees in the garden. Come on through inside, and the first thing you will notice is the spaciousness of this beautiful renovated home. You've got the gorgeous polished timber floorboards throughout, lovely white light and bright, and open plan living. Everything is brand new in this beautiful home that has been renovated just perfectly. In the lounge room, you'll see the most stunning, cozy fireplace, which is going to be gorgeous as we head on into winter. And look at this dining room, so beautiful. And this open plan area does have reverse cycle air conditioning as well, and flows on out to a beautiful, amazing deck. Have a look at this, an expansive rear deck, which you can see the gorgeous leafy garden out from this area. Through, and of course the kitchen, you've got the beautiful centre island bench. And the kitchen has beautiful finishes. You've got the dishwasher, range hood, and electric cooking. And a massive pantry as well. Beautifully decorated and finished. Wait till you see the master bedroom. Look at this. Lovely and large. There's a queen size bed in here and plenty of room for the king and the bedside tables. Lovely mirrored wardrobe here. And I love the quaint windows that give it the character. We go into the second bedroom now, which again is a really good size, and all the windows lets in all this beautiful light, and the built-in wardrobe as well. You've got a really handy little drop and go area as you enter the front door here to hang your coats, leave your handbag, etc. Through here to the gorgeous brand new bathroom, which has a good sized bath, vanity and walk-in shower. Then of course the laundry and the separate toilet, which leads to outside, which is good. Also, does have a garage as well, which is really good. But no, you're going to love this beautiful, beautiful home. I'm very proud to present this one to you. It is just a must-see in beautiful Centenary Heights, just a short walk down to Cafe 63 and Chinese, and everything you want is just a short walk away, plus the Centenary High School as well. So come and have a look at 12 Leichhardt Street. We look forward to showing you any time to suit you. I understand that times are a little bit difficult right now, but look, you can have a look at this beautiful home anytime by a private appointment, and also you have a look at the 3D scan online as well, where you can walk through virtually. But I look forward to showing this property to you. You're going to fall in love, and you will want to make it yours.